Hi, I'm Will and this is Board on a Train seat thing. Oh, you can't do it.
There's a fail plank.
No, you're not. I'm not turning this off until you do a good plank.
Oh, fuck. What about from that chair where Max's bag? What about from that chair where Max's bag is up to that chair there?
Just shit was not joking.
Maurice, what about from that chair there to that chair there?
What?
What,
There.
from where Max's bag
fuck,
is to that chair there?
Go on, we'll do it. Fuck.
Where there?
I don't know. Everything's just disgusting right now.
What, that crossing over?
Yeah.
Just eating her face.
Yeah, go on, Will.
Why am I doing it?
What did you just do?
Hurry up, Will.
Maurice.
Right, Will's melting out. No.
Wait for him, stay there, boy.
That's not planking, Will.
Alright, you're done. I want someone on the platform to know it.
Probably stop here.
Oh, cramp. Oh.
Someone film with crap. Like
Cramp and curly hair.
Curly crap.
This is Reece Jackman doing the curly cramp. Wait. Pass something.
Do it in the window to someone.
Reece, run up to the window there. Hey, just go.
Hello.
That's Nikki from accounting.
A little bit close action reviews. It's just gonna feel tiny for a bit.
I'll whoop it.
Move.
Like a piece.
Like a paper.
Head is gonna head. Head is gonna head. Putty. Head's gonna head. Head's gonna head.
Why you got me out?
Dental plan. Now you can all stop singing. Right, Reece, check out that nappy.
Oh yeah. That
One.
nappy.
We pitched.
The anxiety in your face.
3, 2, 1.
Dude, getting closer.
Right, get the camera off me so I can do this one thing. As soon as I say 1, after I've said it, turn it on. How many returns did you pick? 1. We pitched 1. Just £2 a month. Can help little Susie.
You got me.
So clip.
Oh, it's everywhere. That's both.